Hey guys, this is 𝐓𝐚𝐧𝐤 with another quick tip to know whether how you can reset your system uptime. Well, after a few days, when I turned on my system today, I checked my system uptime by going to Performance tab on Task Manager. And it shocked me that my system was not shut down properly and is up for 5 days. Well, I shut it down again thinking that it will reset the uptime. But it did not. So upon searching, I found that a feature named Fast Startup introduced by Microsoft in Windows 8, which retained in Windows 10 and 11, is turned on my system by default, which does not allow a system to shut down properly, as it uses a hybrid shutdown process that removes users' activity while preserving the core operating system state, which allows Windows to boot faster next time. And that's why my system was up for 5 days. So to turn off the fast startup feature, search and open Control Panel. And go to Power Options. Here, click on Choose what the power buttons do. And here you can see that fast startup option is turned on by default and is also grayed out. So to turn it off, click on Change Settings that are currently unavailable and then uncheck it. And then click on Save Changes. Now shut down your system and turn it on again. And then check your system uptime. And here you can see that it's been reset. And this is how you can properly shut down and reset your system uptime. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.